Hey everybody, we're going to take a quick look at how to use this MAGSEN 900 Newton meter impact wrench. It comes with this whole kit. It comes with the carry case, comes with the fast charger, comes with 2 batteries, and it comes with these 5 different sockets. So first of all, we have our 4,000 milliamp batteries, 2 of them, and it comes also with the fast charger. So to get started, we're just going to slide our battery in here. And as soon as we put the battery in, we're good to go. Now, for the sockets, there's no magic to them. They're just pushed on and then pushed off and then pulled off. So just gonna come in here like this. And now it's ready to go. And then pull them off. When you pull the trigger, the light automatically comes on. Now this has, if you can see on here, the controls, it has a slow speed and a fast speed. So the slower speed is going to give you more torque, but it's going to go slower, and then the faster speed. And it also has a pulse mode when working in reverse. So right now it's in reverse. I don't know if you can see it. But right now the slow and the fast lights are lit up. And if I hit it again, now, if you see that, the pulse light is lit up, and now it's going to automatically pulse to help remove like stuck on bolts and stuff like that. Now if I put it in forward mode, now you can see the fast light is lit up. And then if I hit this power button, then it's going to go to the slow, and you can see that it is spinning more slowly. You're also going to get the battery indicator right here as well as on the battery. So anyways, if you're interested in this whole setup, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description.